Approximately 2 hours drive from Cape Town, in the small town of Montagu, Capedry is situated in the Western Cape of South Africa, which is renowned as the country's top fruit-growing region. With an abundance of sunshine, it provides the ideal climate for cultivating some of the world's finest, freshest fruit. From apricots, peaches, pears, to nectarines, prunes, mangoes, tomatoes, and raisins. We pride ourselves on producing only the highest quality fruit. And our state-of-the-art processing plant ensures that each batch meets the highest standards. In our commitment to sustainability and future growth, Capedry is actively investing in research to develop new fruit cultivars. We are focused on drought-resistant varieties that thrive in the challenging climate of the Klein Karoo, helping us to safeguard future harvests and ensure a steady supply of high-quality fruit. We're also making strategic investments in raisin grapes, key varieties which will enable us to produce the highest quality raisins. By increasing our own production, we're not only strengthening our supply chain, but also creating more employment opportunities for the local economy, which includes our mango drying partnership based in the Levubu Valley of the Limpopo province that continues to grow and produce outstanding quality dried mangoes. Our cold winters and hot summers ensure that we produce top-quality dried fruit at the highest possible bricks. Our new upgraded equipment ensures an even better end product. The latest drying technology, including thermostatically controlled warm airflow tunnels, ensures that our fruit retains its natural tenderness and full flavor without compromising quality. With the addition of these advanced drying systems, we're able to preserve the fruit's nutritional value, locking in vitamins, antioxidants, and flavor, which makes Capedry products a perfect fit for modern, healthy diets. To ensure only the best quality fruit reaches your table, we use the latest sorting technology. Our precision machinery includes laser cameras and state-of-the-art metal detection systems, all designed to meet world-class standards. Each batch of fruit is meticulously checked no less than 5 times during production to ensure that every piece is of the highest quality. Once dried, the fruit is placed in plastic-lined bins, which prevent moisture loss, and stored in temperature-controlled rooms to maintain its quality, until it's ready for packing and shipment. Our on-site laboratory is another example of our commitment to quality. We continuously test our products to ensure they meet the highest standards of safety and nutrition, with qualified food safety officers overseeing every batch. All our products meet international standards with certifications including BRCGS, CSAR, Halal, Kosher and Kosher for Passover. We go above and beyond food safety regulations, passing rigorous inspections and audits. Capedry, from our trees to your table, delivering healthy snacks that fit perfectly into modern lifestyles. Capedry is the name trusted by retailers in markets across the globe.